Students, you can understand what is small scale business and what is the features of small scale enterprises. Now, what is the administrative setup of small scale industry? And small scale industries were also properly followed and guided by the government of India. That is, different commissions are there, different state governments and the central governments are also working for the development of the small scale enterprise. So, what was the administrative setup for the small scale? Small scale industries are first is guided by the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise. Means those who there are different micro, small and medium enterprises were started under small enterprises, and it was properly guided by the Ministry of state level, and also the central government also working for this. These industries by me small industries development organization was started by the government, and this is also known as Office of the Development Commission. This Office of the Development Commission is working for the protection or for the development of small scale enterprises, and also they are properly giving guidelines for their working, and also they are time to time they are also helping them and also promoting different areas for the development of small scale enterprise. And there is National Small Industries Corporation is also set up, that state government is also equally participating for the development of small enterprises, that they are giving different guidelines for the development of small scale enterprises in the rural and remote areas. Government is properly working for the regional balanced development of the country, and in this regard they are promoting to start more and more small scale enterprises in India. And this National Small Industries Corporation was started, that is working for the small scale industries in throughout the country. That is, this development commission, this Office of the Development Commission is also giving guidelines to the small scale industries, that how they can work, they can expand their working, and they can in rural areas you can start more and more small scale enterprise, and also for the promotion of their output, for the development of their technology and use of new technology in the small scale industries, and so that they can produce more and more goods. So these industries, these small scale industrial corporations was giving guidelines for the small and micro enterprises. Next is the Ministry of Agro and Rural Industries. Ministry of Agro and Rural Industries are also working for the development of micro small scale enterprises in India, that in rural areas there are different small enterprises was set up, and these are properly guided by the Ministry of Agro and Rural Industries, especially the village and khadi industries. Village and khadi industries were specially promoted by the government, and these khadi and village industries commission was started, which is known as KVIC. That is, these commission was started for the development of cottage industries in our country, and khadi, especially the khadi, that is promoting of the khadi, that we can have everyone use khadi, and also khadi and village industries are giving proper guidelines, and different promotional schemes were started for their development. And even the state government is also working, state directorate of industries was started. These state director of industries were guided by the State Bank Authority of India, State Bank of India, and the state bank is also helping and working for the small scale enterprises. So small scale enterprises was started in our country because it is the best source of employment generation, and with low capital investments we can have different small scale industries in our country, and they can also be judged by the level of output. Previously the output will be very low in small scale industries. Now with the starting of more and more micro and small and medium enterprises in our country, their capital investment was also increased time to time by the government, by state government. They are giving guidelines for the minimum or maximum capital requirements of the small and medium enterprises, and in this way the production output also increased of these industries, and these industries were properly guided by the Ministry of State and Directorate of General of Commission, that was especially promoting small scale enterprises and rural and cottage industries, and they are working for the promotion of khadi industries, and they are giving benefit for the promotional promotion of these industries. They are providing subsidized raw materials, subsidies in taxation and power generation also, that is electricity power consumption is also, they are very taking very less charges from the small scale enterprises. So small scale enterprises are properly guided by our state government and different level of the government for the promotion of these industries and also for the economic development of the country.